What's the meaning of coalesce? Coalesce. Coalesce.
Coalesce. Coalesce. The term coalesce refers to the merging or consolidation of multiple entities or elements into a single, unified entity or element. This can refer to physical objects, such as combining two liquids into one or merging two companies into a single entity. It can also refer to abstract concepts, such as combining two ideas into a single concept or merging two departments within an organization into a single department. The overall result of coalescing is the creation of a more streamlined, cohesive and efficient entity or concept.